Welcome to HM General Knowledge.
Who was the Chola king who brought Ganga from north to south? Option A Rajaraja Chola, option B Mahendra, option C Rajendra Chola, option D Parantanga. The answer is Rajendra Chola. Rajendra Chola was the son of Rajaraja Chola. He defeated the Pala king Mahipala of Bengal and Bihar, and to commemorate his victory, he built a new capital called Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. Which of the following Gupta kings stopped the Huns from invading India? Option A Kumaragupta, option B Samudragupta, option C Sankagupta, option D Chandragupta. The answer is Skandagupta. Skandagupta was a Gupta emperor of northern India. Skandagupta had to fight the Pushyamitras and the Huns. He was successful in throwing the Huns back. The continuous attack of the Huns weakened the Gupta economy, and after the death of Skandagupta, the Gupta empire began to decline. Which ruler murdered his father Bimbisara to ascend the throne? Option A Ashoka, option B Ajazsatru, option C Kanishka, option D Sumuka. The answer is Ajazsatru. King Ajazsatru occupied the throne by killing his father, King Bimbisara. King Ajazsatru was contemporary to Mahavira and Buddha. King Bimbisara and Ajazsatru belongs to Haryanka dynasty. King Ashoka belongs to Maurya dynasty. His father name is Bindusara. King Kanishka is a famous Kushan ruler. Sumuka is the founder of Satavahanas Empire in Deccan and central India. Who among the following was not a part of Mauryan dynasty? Ajazsatru, Bindusara, Chandragupta Maurya, none of this. The answer is Ajazsatru. As we seen in the last question, Ajazsatru belonged to Haryanka dynasty. King Bindusara is the son of Chandragupta Maurya. Both belong to Mauryan dynasty. The famous Kailashnath temple at Kanchi was built by Mahendra Varma I, Narsimha Varman II, Nandi Varman II, and Dandi Varman. The answer is Narsimha Varman II. Pallava king Narsimha Varman II built the famous Kailashnath temple at Kanchipuram. He is also called as Rajasimhan. The official court language of the Guptas was Pali, Prakrit, Hindi, Sanskrit. The answer is Sanskrit. Due to the influence of the Buddhists and Jains, the Sanskrit language was ignored. Later in Gupta period, the Sanskrit language was patronized and it was recognized as the court language and was used in their inscriptions. Buddhist literature were in Pali language. Some of the Jain's literature were in Prakrit language. In which rock edit Ashoka mentions about the casualties of the Kalinga war and declares the renunciation of war? Option A Musky edit, option B rock edit 13, option C rock edit 11, option D rock edit 10. Option B rock edit 13 is the answer. In rock edit 13 states that after Kalinga war, King Ashoka adopted Buddhism and the path of Dhamma Vijaya, that is win through religion, and Ahimsa, that is non-violence. Musky edit. The Musky version of minor rock edit number 1 is historically particularly important because in that it confirms the association of the title, the Devampriya, with the name Ashoka, thereby clarifying the historical authors of all this inscription. Rock edit 11 explains the policy of Dhamma. Rock edit 10 condemns the desire for fame and glory and stresses on popularity of Dhamma. Pulikesi II was the greatest ruler of Cholas of Tamil Nadu, Chalukyas of Badmi, Chalukyas of Kalyani, Pallavas of Kanchi. And the answer is Chalukyas of Badami. King Pulikesi II was the greatest ruler of Chalukyas of Badami. Its capital is Vadapi. King Somavarma I and Vikramaditya IV were the notable rulers of Chalukyas of Kalyani. King Rajaraja I and his son Rajendra Chola were the notable rulers in Chola dynasty. King Narsimhavarman I is the one of the notable ruler in Pallavas of Kanchi. Which one of the following is not a sect of Buddhism? Mahayana, Hinayana, Digambar, Theravada? And the answer is Digambar. Digambar, the term related to Jainism, which means sky-clad monks. That is, they wear no clothes, which is one of the two main sects of Jainism. The other one is Swadambara, white-clad monks, usually wear white clothes. Hinayana, the lesser vehicle, Mahayana, the greater vehicle, and Theravada, the school of elders, belongs to Buddhism. Mahavira's first discipline was Bhadrabahu, Stulabhatranaya, Charavaka, Jamali. And the answer is Jamali. Jamali is the husband of Anuj Priyadarshini, was the first discipline of Mahavira. He was Mahavira's son-in-law. Bhadrabahu, the leader of Jain monk who follows Digambara, that is sky is clad. Tulabhatranaya, leader of the Jain monk who follows Swadambaras, that is white clad. Which of the following is not the three Ratna of Jainism? Right faith, right knowledge, right view, right conduct. The answer is right view. Right view is not included in three Ratnas of Jainism. Three Ratnas of Jainism: right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. Three jewels are also called as three Ratnas of Buddhism is Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Chalukya temple, Jain temples at Dilwara are situated in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan or Haryana. The answer is Rajasthan. Dilwara temples are a group of Swadambara temples located near Mount Abu settlement, Rajasthan's only hill station. Dilwara temples famous for their use of very pure and white marbles and intricate marble carvings. They are a pilgrimage place for Jains and important general tourist attraction. Although Jains build many temples at other places in Rajasthan, the Dilwara temples are believed to be the most impressive. The famous Kailasa temple, cut out of the solid rock at Ellora, was built under the patronage of Cholas, Kadambas, Pallavas, Rashtrakutas. And the answer is Rashtrakutas. Most of the excavations of the temple is generally attributed to the 8th century Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. The Kailasa temple is the largest of the rock Hindu temples at the Ellora caves, Maharashtra in India. Archaeologists believe it is made from a single rock. The Kailasa temple, cave 16, is the largest of the 34 Buddhist, Jain and Hindu cave temples and monasteries known collectively as the Ellora caves. Who compiled the tales, the Panchatantra? Valmiki, Vedavasya, Vishnu Sharma, Tulsidas. The answer is Vishnu Sharma. Panchatantra tale has been attributed to Vishnu Sharma. It is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables in verses and prose arranged within a frame story. Vikramashila University was founded by Chandragupta Maurya, Kanishka, Dharmapala, Pulikesi II. And the answer is Dharmapala. Vikramashila was one of the two most important centers of learning in India during the Pala Empire, along with Nalanda University. Located at Bhagalpur district in Bihar, Vikramashila was established by the Pala Emperor Dharmapala. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video who are all studying for competitive exams. Thank you.